Hi friends, I just wanted to pop in real quick and show you this little journal embellishment that I am working on. I am at a scrapbooking retreat, so pardon the background noise, but what I made was a little notebook. So I fussy cut the box of Quackers out, and then I just put some regular copy weight lined paper in here, and I used a piece of the Crackers cardstock for the backing. And then what I did was I just used my Tim Holtz tiny attacher, this guy, and I stapled here and here on the top. And then, oh, by the way, that's another print. I backed the little notebook back. And then I glued this to the top to cover the staples. And then out of this piece of cracker, I made a specimen card. So I cut the center out, and then I just used double-sided sticky tape to tape the vellum in. And then this will become a pocket in my journal, and then the little notebook will slide right into that pocket. So enjoy, have fun.